In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Antigravity without hitting rate limits. Rate limits usually kick in when the app has to process too many requests or too much data at once, often because tools are running in the background or prompts are overly long. The goal here is to keep your interactions efficient and reduce unnecessary calls so you can work smoothly. Start by opening Google Antigravity and heading to the main dashboard. From there, go into the agent workspace. This is where your requests are orchestrated, and it's the best place to control how much load you generate. Once you're in, keep your prompt short and focused. For example, if you need an interface scaffold, simply type something like create login UI. Short prompts reduce token usage, speed up responses, and give the system less to parse, which helps you avoid rate caps. If you need more detail, add it in small follow-up messages rather than packing everything into one big prompt. Give the agent a moment to respond before you send the next instruction so you don't stack up concurrent requests. To further cut down on background activity, turn off any MCP tools you aren't actively using. These are integrations that can call out to external services or do extra processing behind the scenes, and each one can contribute to hitting rate limits. Look for the menu in the top area of the agent workspace. Open the three-dot menu and select the option related to MCP servers. This brings you to the place where those integrations are managed. Next, choose Manage MCP Servers. You'll see a list of available servers and tools that the agent can tap into. Scan through the list with your current task in mind. If you're just generating UI code or drafting copy, you probably don't need data fetchers, file browsers, or heavy analysis tools turned on right now. Disable the integrations you don't need by using the Disable control next to each one. You can always re-enable them later for a different project. The key is to keep only the essentials active to minimize background calls. This not only helps you stay under rate limits, it also makes the agent's reasoning faster and more focused. With unnecessary tools turned off and your prompt kept concise, run your request again. You should notice quicker responses and fewer rate limit warnings. If you still brush against limits, slow your pacing slightly and keep follow-ups tight. That's it. Clean setup, concise prompts, and a lean tool set for smoother, uninterrupted work.